Good afternoon, everyone. And today is Valentine's Day. So again, let me start out by saying Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I know many of y'all are probably working, or you're just gonna wait till later on to go out with your loved one, your boo thing, whoever you're gonna call them. But I decided for me and my kids, we're going to today do our own little thing. So we started out with the basics, going to the library, and we also have got our own little gift thing going on here. Let me show you guys what I mean when I say I got my own gift thing. Hold on 1 second. It's a little dark in here because someone's taking a nap. But also, this is what I've done for my kids. See? Isn't that beautiful? So, it's simple, honey. And all this stuff is like dollar items. You can't even miss that. Don't look at my bottom down there, honey. I got to clean it up. But this is all dollar items. And let me get a little closer so you can see. You see that? And the flowers don't even have to be real, honey, as long as they count, right? Okay, let me turn the light back off so she can take a nap. Okay. And then today I am going to show y'all how to make a seafood boil. Okay? So with my seafood boil, I'm turning around. I put your lovely Zamarin in it, and it's gonna make it really good and tasty. I've also included some lemon. That's the bag for the Zamarin. And some onions. You want to squeeze the onions a little. I mean, not your onions, but your lemons a little bit, and let it get in there. Everything. Let it simmer for a minute. It don't have to simmer forever. Um, the directions say let it bring to a boil for about 15 minutes. Let me show y'all directions. About 5 minutes. I meant about 5 minutes. Um, so everything after boil like 15, 20 minutes. Basically, it gives you good directions on there. Okay. So again, there's my thing. I'm turning a little light on here so y'all can really get looking there. There's the bag. That's my lemons and my onions. I like chop my onions up really fine to make it tasty. Okay. Let me turn back around. Now, all my things that I'm going to include today, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I don't know if you guys have a store around there that has the bag that includes everything in it, but I do. The bag is like 20 some dollars, but you get a lot for that 20 some dollars. So let me go ahead and start beginning to pour my things out that I'm going to include. You want to rinse your food off. You don't want to directly drop it in there. That's nasty. Clean your food, okay? Alright, so I went to Kroger, and if you have a Kroger card, they normally have like the little lobster tails on the 4 ounces for one wild cut for $6 a piece, and then they have the shrimp white shrews. I can't talk, excuse me. And I got three for $3. I went to a store up in like Cobb County. They had four of these inside of a bag for three something. And then this is the bag I'm talking about. I don't know many places have this, but look at all that stuff you're getting for 20 some dollars. That's not even a problem. It's heavy, y'all. So this is the stuff that you get in there, and you see all that goodness down there. You want to make sure you get all that inside of your pot. Look at all this stuff, honey. This is, oh Lord, I'm dropping the muscle out, but this is crazy. You get all that stuff in that bag. This is, sorry, this right here, you can drop it in. It don't even matter. You can drop that in as is. But my things I'm saying wash off, I'm talking about this right here. Okay? You want to do that right. You don't want to be nasty because you don't want to make yourself sick. Even though they have shrimps inside of there, I like to add my own a little bit because at the end of the day, I want my stuff to be tasty. So do that. Let me turn the camera back around. Also, because I am the type of person that like to add my own kick to it, I'm gonna try some Old Bay. I was told that Old Bay is good. So of course I want to, excuse my lighting, honey, I'm doing this all myself. I was told that Old Bay was good. So let me see. Let me take this paper off of here. be careful when cutting stuff because you don't want to cut your fingers and be cooking. Nobody wants your food after that, okay? Nobody. I promise you that. Nobody wants your food after cutting your stuff. And you don't want to admit that you cut yourself on live because if you do that, somebody gonna know you did that and they will tell the next person, hey listen, she nasty, don't do it. So I'll show you my obey. This is my obey. So I'm just gonna put like maybe a tablespoon inside of here just to give it a little kick. Cause it's like a kick to mine every now and then. Okay. So here's my tablespoon. I'm gonna get me a good little tablespoon in there. You don't want too much because I got kids eating this stuff too, and they're not used to a kick. Okay, so that's enough of that. I'm gonna let this come to a boil for about 5 minutes. So we're at 245 at 250. I'm going to take that out of there again. Let me show you how everything looks so far. And this is not bad because I thought, Lord, what is this lady on the mukbang talking about when she said put this bag directly inside there? Child, I ain't never did that day in my life. But yeah, she told me how to do this, and I'm gonna try her way. I also got me some lemons to squeeze in afterwards. So I'm gonna rinse these off and put them to the side in the refrigerator because you don't want to leave stuff hanging out on the counter. Also, an old lady that I met inside the store taught me a little trick when it came down to your onions, right? She said, when you get an onion, you don't cut them up real good. She said you want to have some aluminum foil, but you want to tighten that up real good, and it saves your onion from going bad quickly. And I've been doing it lately, so it's really been saving my onion. So I've been cutting off what I want, and then I'll go back to it later on. So you just want to make sure that you just get it in there real good. It ain't got to be super tight, but at least make sure it's tight to the point where you don't have to go back later on and wonder why your onion is brown. See what I'm saying? Tight. Put it in the refrigerator. You're good to go. Clean up after yourself also. Don't be nasty. Somebody wants to know that nasty. Clean up. Okay? And toss it on over here in this little trash can. And then you'll be good to go. Just dump it like so. And make sure you wash your hands. Don't be nasty. Okay? But besides that, right now, that is part 1 of my video. I'll definitely come back with part 2 once everything gets in the pot and about done. I'll let y'all see what I've done. Alright, thank y'all for watching my channel. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright now, I'll holler.